Hey, welcome back to Cobb's Q. I'm Kevin Cobb, and today is going to be a little interesting. First, we're going to make Smashburger Tacos, and these things are fantastic. However, had a little technical difficulty today, and we didn't get any audio. So, bear with us. We're going to go back. We're going to recreate portions of this. We're going to get it all together, but I promise you this, at the tail end, if you stick with us, the results are going to be worth it. So let's go ahead, head outside, and we're going to get everything ready for Smashburger Tacos. Okay, to make our special sauce, we're going to take 1/4 cup of Dukes Mayonnaise. Next, we're going to take 1 tablespoon of regular ketchup. And just go ahead and squirt it in. You can use a measure or you can just do it yourself. Now we're going to want 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. And finally, we want to shake up and get 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce as well. For our spices today, we want 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of Chipotle chili powder, 1 teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic. Okay, stir this up really good to incorporate everything together. And then give it a quick taste just to make sure it's where you want. You can always add more to it at this point. Okay, now we're going to take some 80/20 ground beef. We're going to take a 1/3 cup measuring cup, and we're going to lightly pack the cup with the ground beef. We don't want to squeeze it. We want to keep it kind of light. And we're going to go ahead and make 4 of these so we can do 4 Smashburger tacos today. Just continue until you get all 4 ready, and then set everything aside, and we can move forward. All right, we're going to go ahead and light the Coleman Stove. I'm going to light both sides. I'm going to keep this side very low, this side on the high side. Then I'm going to turn this off because I'm going to use cheese on here later and I don't want to burn it, but I want it hot. So let me get this lit right quick. Okay, we're going to let that come up to temperature and then we'll get moving. Okay, this side has been heated. This side was heated and I just turned it off a moment ago. Let me go ahead. Grab our press. I use parchment paper on top. I don't put the tortilla on initially. A little fire, never hurt anybody. Don't forget to put a little salt and pepper. And normally I'll take a little piece of American cheese at this point before flipping and set it on as a binder to the tortilla. I'm out of that cheese today, so we're actually just going to use shredded Mexican. We're still going to let this go ahead and cook for a bit. Then we'll put a little shredded Mexican on there so it just helps as a binder between the meat and the tortilla. And I'm starting to see that right through here. I didn't smash that side as thick as what I might like to. Whether I should do this now or not, I don't know, but I am going to smash that a little bit more. Just to get a little thinner. Because again, that's what I'm looking for. Take a little cheese here. Just again as a binder between the two. Take our tortilla. That on there. And we'll flip that. That looks really pretty. Now we're going to put more cheese on there. Smooth that out. Put a lid over it for a moment. We'll let that cook for a minute. When we're ready, and it's looking pretty decent, we're going to go ahead and lay some cheese here on the other side of the grill. And then we're going to set this on top and we're going to make that blend into the tortilla on the outside. Smelling pretty good down there. Not there yet. To help this one through, a little duck fat on here. Go ahead and put some cheese out. Set that right over here on top here. And then we're going to cover that down. I'm going to turn this side down so we have 3 more to go. I don't want it to get as hot. I do this out in the field for scouts a lot, for the adults anyway. It works out really well in the field. This would also work out really well as a tailgate. A bit longer. Good. Let's see if that's... Oh yeah. We'll take this, bend it in half. Take our first taco, and we're just going to set that taco right there on the cutting board. Cheese harden up. A moment. And then we put it in our taco tray. And we'll get ready to go ahead and make our next one. Okay, now that we've got them done, we're going to go ahead and open one of them up. We're going to stick a little lettuce in there. And then we're going to put a little tomato. Give it that color pop. We're going to put a little avocado in there. And then we're going to put some Texas pickles. Then we're going to put some of the sauce that we made right in there. And then to top it off today, I'm going to try this hot sauce a buddy of mine in Colorado gave me. And this thing is a coconut ghost pepper hot sauce. So it's probably going to light me on fire. But, you know, David gave it to me. I figured at least I got to try it. So we'll put a little bit of this on here. And then we're going to go ahead and make up the remainder. Okay, now that we finished everything up, unfortunately our camera audio died today on us, so Eric and I are going to go ahead and pick one of the ones that we made for ourselves. I've got mine with the hot sauce. We're going to go ahead and give these a try and see what they taste like. And I'm telling you, that melted cheese on the outside of the tortilla, the flavors of the sauce that we made, and that hot sauce is lighting me on fire right now. These are just fantastic. I highly recommend take a moment, give these a try. I'm going to go ahead and end this here because I have no idea what we were saying on video, and I'm sorry for that, but again, the audio died. Hey, thanks again for sticking with us today, going through this with us. Sorry we lost the audio, especially at the end when we tasted these, but man, they are fantastic. So I definitely think you should give this a shot. This is fantastic if you are going camping or if you're doing tailgate. You got a Coleman stove, you got a cast iron skillet or something along those nature. It's just really easy to do and the results are absolutely worth it. I had a great week this week, by the way. I got to meet Joshua Weissman, picked up his new cookbook, which is fantastic. And I always figure anything you can do to elevate your own cooking or learn how to add that flavor, or as he says, texture to that dish, man, you know, it was great. So shameless plug. If you don't have this, think about going to his channel and picking it up. It is really good. I've already got a lot of pages dog-eared. So again, thanks for joining us today, taking time out of your day to come visit with us. Thank you for your patronage. Please take a moment and like and subscribe and have a fantastic day.